Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. I hope your week has been going wonderful so far. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Sarah and you're watching Sarah Malone TV. For those who are with me already, thank you so much for subscribing. If you are new, I hope that you will hit the subscribe button down below. And my videos are all about curly hair Wednesdays, so everything curly hair, and then also my Fitness Friday videos as well. I'm a health and nutrition coach, so my specialty is designing actually meal plans for people who are looking to change up their nutrition, like weight loss, muscle toning, that type of thing. Now today's video is going to be on a healthy green smoothie, so without further ado, let's get started. Now with our smoothie today, what this is going to be about is a greens powder and protein powder, all kinds of good stuff. So what I did was I went already ahead and put in some ice cubes into my blender. The next thing I'm going to add is unsweetened almond milk. Now you can use any brand of the almond milk. So I have a half a cup here. I'm just going to pour that right in. Now the reason I'm using unsweetened almond milk is because with the unsweetened almond milk, it's going to be sugar-free. It's going to have a lot less calories. I want to say it's only like maybe 30 calories. That's actually in a full cup, so I'm only doing a half a cup, so it's a lot less calories. I'm not going to add water to it because, again, there's already ice cubes in here. When they're blended up, it's going to give even more of a water-based consistency. So it's another reason why I'm only doing half a cup. And again, with the almond milk, I love that it just does give it a little bit more of a texture to my shake, so it's not so watery. And it tastes really good as well. So again, that's my personal preference. You can use unsweetened coconut milk as well, or even those blends that have the two almond and coconut milk blend. This just happens to be just straight unsweetened almond milk. The next thing I'm gonna go in with for my smoothie is going to be some lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. Now what I did was I have 1 tablespoon of each. I'm gonna pour this right in. And the lemon juice is actually going to help to clean our blood. It's great for cleanse. So it cleans our blood. It can help thin it out as well. So if you do have issues with that, like with your blood, for example, if you eat a lot of red meat, if you have high cholesterol, that type of thing, it's great for cleaning out your system and cleaning your blood. So that's for the lemon juice. Now the apple cider vinegar, what that will do, so many things. There's so many brands out there, of course, Bragg's being the #1 most popular. The one I happen to have on hand is from the Spectrum brand. I just got this at my grocery store. Both of them, by the way, the lemon juice as well. And with the apple cider vinegar, again, it does so many things. It can help with body fat reduction. It can help just cleaning out your system internally. It's just so healthy for you. It can help with your intestinal tract. It can help with acid reflux as well. Again, body fat reduction, it just helps so many ways. It can help to rebalance, like your pH balance in your body, your internal chemistry, your skin, hair. There's so many actually ways you can use actually apple cider vinegar. Today's purpose though is going to be for my green smoothie. I actually have also used apple cider vinegar on my hair, believe it or not, which that will be for another video, another time for you. But for now, we're going to also use the apple cider vinegar in our smoothie. So again, I did 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now, I'm gonna go in next with some fruit. Now, you can go in with any type of fruit that you happen to have on hand. I only like to use a little bit, by the way, because I wanna keep the sugar content down. Now, yes, even though, yes, it is a natural sugar and it's fruit, I know a lot of people tend to gravitate to their fruit when it comes to weight loss. They think more fruit is a great way to go, and fruit, yes, is good for you, but it's when you have your fruit and then also how much you have of it. So I have about a half a cup here of fruit, and inside here are just some chopped up strawberries and then some fresh blueberries. So I'm gonna add that right into my mix. Now, why I chose these. One, it just happens to be what I have on hand, but the main reason is because these specific fruits are gonna be on the lower glycemic index, meaning they're not gonna spike your insulin or spike your sugar right away. So something like a banana, for example, which is I'm sure the most popular fruit. I love bananas as well. They're great for potassium, for muscle cramps, that type of thing. However, they also have the highest, one of the highest counts of sugar. So I try not to do too many bananas. If I'm in a if I'm doing a ton of cardio, that might be a little bit different story. But for my everyday kind of a healthy green smoothie, I try to stick with a lower glycemic index type fruits. So think of your berries, just your berries family in general. So blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, anything that ends in the berries, you're safe to do. So I added some blueberries and strawberries. The next thing I'm going to go in with is actually my greens powder. So I'm actually using the American Metabolics Greens Plus, which is a keto type blend. It also has a prebiotic as well, which is another reason why I love this product. So this is the powder right here. As you can see, it's very green. I'm just going to sprinkle that right in. Ooh, little puff of smoke there. So this particular one, and now this is something that we do actually carry at our stores at Max Muscle in Gilroy, Morgan Hill, and Santa Cruz. With this product, it's going to have just a whole blend of greens, things like kale, spirulina, spinach, basically you name it, it's going to have it in there. Plus it's going to have as well your prebiotic as well, like I mentioned. So prebiotics and probiotics, there is a difference. I do typically take a probiotic as well, by the way, and I do that in the morning. But with this one being a prebiotic, it's going to be the blend previous. So these type of things help the cultures in, again, your intestinal tract, which is so extremely important to keep things moving properly, making sure that your cultures are nice and balanced internally as well. If you wanted to add to that, you can even add a tablespoon of yogurt to this, and I would just add a non-sugar type or fruity type yogurt, of course, so just 100% plain type yogurt. But today I will not be adding the yogurt, so I'm just going to keep it a little bit more simple. That would be the probiotic blend that you can add to this. So keeping it simple, the greens powder right here for you. Then I'm going to go in with a protein powder. So my absolute favorite protein to use is going to be the Max Pro Elite. Now this is a Max Muscle brand product. I absolutely love it because it's 100% tested for purity. What does that mean? That means that what is on the label is 100% what is in this product and what you are putting into your body. I don't know about you, but that is so important to me. I want to make sure that what I'm ingesting into my system is healthy for me. Now, there is actually no FDA law that says a supplement company has to tell the truth on their labels, which is why we are very extremely careful on what we carry in our stores. So we always get that background from our vendors that we do carry to make sure that they are tested, to make sure they are healthy for us, and they are true to claims. That's so important. So look at your labels. Wherever you do shop, go back into that store and ask them that question. Have these products been tested? They may not be able to answer that question for you, but if you walk into any one of our stores, absolutely, we can tell you about the Max Muscle brand and that it is tested for purity, and that's why we are a strong backer on this brand. Now, why I'm using the Max Pro Elite is because it's a super clean and lean protein. So you can use this protein any time of day. This is the vanilla ice cream flavor, which tastes amazing. I'm gonna sprinkle this in, by the way. It's only 1 scoop is what I'm doing. So 1 scoop is gonna get you 30 grams of protein, 137 calories. That's just in water. It's sugar-free, and I wanna say it's like maybe 2 carbs. It's super lean. So you can use this any time of day. I use this as my snacks in between my meals. So that's why it's going into my green smoothie today. Now, I do typically use it as well as a midday snack too, so I tend to use it twice a day. Sometimes I'll add the protein, say, to my oatmeal in the morning for breakfast if I want a quick and simple breakfast. If I don't feel like doing eggs that morning, you can just mix it right in. So it's very universal. You can use it as a post-workout, pre-workout type protein shake as well, and the reason is because it has a combination of your fast absorbing proteins and slower absorbing proteins. So it's a mixture of both. So that's why it's so universal and my absolute favorite. Now it comes in so many flavors as well. I do have the chocolate cake flavor at home. I'm a big chocolate fan. I also love the strawberry banana flavor. There's a cinnamon roll flavor, orange. Gosh, I would say probably the cafe latte is one of the best sellers though, because it's that coffee, kind of creamy coffee taste, which you can add right to your coffee in the morning too. So there's so many options, but today's choice was the vanilla ice cream. So everything is in here in my blender. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this all up for you so that then you can see what it's going to look like. It's gonna get a little loud, sorry, so bear with me. Now, as you can see now, my mixture has turned this really pretty kind of, I don't know if it's pretty, but it is to me. It's kind of a greenish, bluish color. So typically if I didn't add the blueberries, it would be like a nice bright green. But because I did add the blueberries, it's a little bit off color. So it's kind of a bluish green, which I think is kind of cool. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add this right into my cup so you can see how beautiful it is. And there you go, your nice healthy green smoothie. I hope that you will give this a try. If you are local to our stores, again in Gilroy, Morgan Hill, and Santa Cruz, I hope that you'll come on by and try the products that I mentioned. And the other ingredients you can get right at your local grocery store. If you're not local to our area, you can even just go right on to, let's see, there's maxmusclesouthcounty.com, that's our website, or Max Muscle Santa Cruz website, and then just maxmuscle.com in general, as well to order the Max Muscle product. But give this a try. I think it's a fabulous, fabulous smoothie. It tastes amazing, and it's so healthy and great for you. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed already, I would really appreciate if you'd subscribe and also give it a thumbs up as well below that you enjoyed this. And again, my videos are on Fridays for my Fitness Friday videos. Thank you and have a fabulous day, everybody.